Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to simply monitor your child activities on YouTube. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your YouTube app. You're going to click on here to open my YouTube app. After you open up your YouTube app, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on the setting icon. Go ahead and click on Family Center. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Invite a Theme. Then you are here. Inviting your team, you can help support their creativity and interest on YouTube by setting up supervision feed. Info you can see. A dashboard shows info about their activity like how many videos they have posted. Notification when they do things like post videos or live stream. Then you can scroll down right here and read the detail. Once you are done, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Create Invite. Enter their mail and send an invite. The kid must accept before you can have access to all these activities from your dashboard on YouTube. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks about YouTube topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.